The job description of a planning engineer revolves around managing the planning, scheduling, and coordination of projects within various sectors, such as construction, engineering, manufacturing, and infrastructure development. Planning engineers are responsible for ensuring that projects are completed on time, within budget, and according to quality standards. Their work primarily focuses on preparing detailed schedules, allocating resources, and identifying potential risks or delays to facilitate efficient project execution. Planning engineers are vital to the success of large-scale projects, as they ensure all tasks are properly planned, monitored, and adjusted as necessary. They collaborate with project managers, contractors, and other engineers to develop realistic timelines, allocate resources, and adjust plans based on project progress. The role requires strong organizational skills, technical expertise, and the ability to work in a fast-paced, deadline-driven environment. In construction or infrastructure projects, planning engineers are often responsible for planning the various stages of construction, managing resources like labor and materials, and ensuring compliance with regulations and safety standards. They work with a variety of project management tools and software to create Gantt charts, project timelines, and other scheduling documents that are used throughout the project's lifecycle. Primary responsibilities of a planning engineer. A planning engineer's core responsibility is to create a detailed project plan that outlines the scope of work, deliverables, timelines, and resource allocation. This plan serves as a blueprint for the project's execution, guiding teams through each stage of the project lifecycle. They must work closely with the project manager to define clear project objectives, milestones, and deadlines. One of the key tasks for a planning engineer is to develop and maintain schedules. They utilize specialized project management software to create Gantt charts or critical path method, CPM, diagrams that depict the sequence of tasks and activities, their dependencies, and their durations. They regularly update these schedules to account for delays or changes in the project scope. Midway through this exploration of the job description, it's essential to highlight that a planning engineer is also responsible for resource management. They must ensure that all necessary resources, such as labor, materials, equipment, and budget, are available when needed. This requires effective communication with various departments, such as procurement, HR, and finance, to ensure the seamless flow of resources throughout the project. In addition to scheduling and resource management, planning engineers must also assess risks and identify potential bottlenecks or delays in the project. They use forecasting techniques and data analysis to predict future project performance and mitigate any risks that could affect the timeline or cost. Regular progress tracking and reporting to stakeholders are crucial to keeping the project on track and adjusting plans if necessary. Essential skills and qualities for the role. A successful planning engineer requires a unique combination of technical, analytical, and interpersonal skills. First and foremost, they need a strong understanding of project management principles and techniques. Knowledge of various project management methodologies, such as Agile, Waterfall, or Lean, can be highly beneficial in managing complex projects across different industries. Planning engineers must also be proficient in using project management software tools. These tools help in scheduling, resource allocation, and tracking project progress. Familiarity with software such as Microsoft Project, Primavera P6, or Asta Power Project is typically expected in most industries. Strong technical skills, particularly in construction, engineering, or manufacturing processes, are essential for understanding the specific needs and challenges of the projects they manage. Analytical thinking is another key skill for planning engineers. They must be able to assess risks, predict potential issues, and find effective solutions. A planning engineer must also possess excellent problem-solving abilities, as unexpected challenges often arise during the course of a project. The ability to think critically and remain calm under pressure is vital in making swift and informed decisions. Communication and teamwork are also crucial. Planning engineers work with various stakeholders, including project managers, contractors, suppliers, and clients. They need to be able to convey technical information clearly, resolve conflicts, and ensure that all team members are aligned with the project's goals and timelines. Attention to detail is essential for ensuring that all aspects of the project plan are properly accounted for, including task dependencies, resource allocation, and timelines. Planning engineers need to meticulously track project progress, document any changes, and maintain an up-to-date project schedule. Work environment and challenges. The work environment for planning engineers can vary significantly depending on the industry they work in. In construction, they may spend a significant amount of time on site, working directly with the project team to monitor progress and manage resources. In manufacturing or engineering, they may work in an office setting, coordinating with different departments to ensure smooth project execution. Planning engineers often work on large, complex projects that involve multiple stakeholders, which can make the work highly demanding. They are expected to work under tight deadlines, balancing multiple tasks and adjusting project schedules as required. The role may also involve occasional travel to project sites or meetings with clients and contractors. Despite these challenges, many planning engineers find the work fulfilling. They play a pivotal role in the successful delivery of projects, from initial planning to completion. Their ability to solve complex problems, manage resources, and keep projects on track is highly valued by organizations. In industries like construction and manufacturing, where projects can span months or years, the planning engineer's expertise can make the difference between a successful project and a delayed or costly one. Educational requirements and training. Most planning engineer positions require a bachelor's degree in civil engineering, mechanical engineering, industrial engineering, or a related field. For those working in specialized industries, such as construction or oil and gas, additional knowledge or certifications may be required. In some cases, a master's degree in project management or a related discipline may provide a competitive edge. In addition to formal education, planning engineers typically undergo on-the-job training to become familiar with the specific tools, processes, and methodologies used within their organization. Training in project management software and project scheduling techniques is often part of the onboarding process. Certifications in project management, such as the Project Management Professional, PMP, or certifications from organizations like the Association for Project Management, APM, can further enhance a planning engineer's qualifications and job prospects. Many planning engineers also seek additional training in risk management, cost estimation, or advanced scheduling techniques to develop their expertise and advance in their careers. Conclusion. The job description of a planning engineer is centered around the management of project schedules, resources, and risks to ensure that projects are completed on time, within budget, and to the required quality standards. These professionals play an integral role in ensuring that all aspects of a project run smoothly, from the initial planning phase to final execution. For individuals with strong organizational, analytical, and communication skills, a career as a planning engineer offers the opportunity to work on diverse and challenging projects. Whether in construction, manufacturing, or infrastructure development, planning engineers help deliver complex projects successfully, making them invaluable assets to any project team. In summary, planning engineers not only manage timelines and resources but also work to anticipate challenges and create solutions that keep projects moving forward. Their work is central to the successful completion of projects, making their role essential in industries that rely on well-coordinated project execution.